Alright, and welcome back folks to another lesson in CSS. Today we're going to be focusing mostly on text and what we can do with it. We've kind of talked a little bit about text alignment before. For example, we did text align center before. So let's just take a look at a couple of other things we can do. I did talk about before when you're doing text alignment, you can change it to example for like left alignment. You can change it to right alignment. You could even make it something like justify or anything like that. Right? And of course, whatever you choose will affect the text for that page and any other elements that it is applied to. And right now in this example, we have if you recall, this is applying to each tags. But let's say I want to change this so that way maybe I want the paragraph tag to have its own alignment. I can just come down here and add in CSS code for paragraph to be left aligned, let's say. And now it will be left aligned. Now there's other things we can look at when we're looking at things with text, and that of course is first off transformation. So if you wanted to, for example, make the text all uppercase or make the text all lowercase, we can use text.trans or text-transform. And when you do transform, you can see there's a couple options that come up here. Let's just look at a couple of these. So let's, for example, look at making uppercase. All right, and we do uppercase, and you see that it changes everything to all caps. Even though I didn't write it in all caps, it converts it over to all caps. And if I were to do lowercase, for example, it would change it all to lowercase. So those are good ways that you can manipulate your text without having to go through and rewrite it. Now, let's say we want it to just have each word be capitalized, kind of using more like camel casing. And you'll see that if we use capitalize, it will do that as well. Right. Now, one more example to show is text indent. And text indent is how we can indent our text. Because remember, we can't do that with HTML, but we can do that with CSS. And I can define that as a certain value. So maybe I want that, for example, to be, say, 15 pixels. I can just put that value in there, and you can see that it has moved my text over 15 pixels. And that's just 15 pixels from the edge of our last browser window. And that concludes this lesson, folks. Until next time.